In a world where side hustles are becoming full-time careers, this is the perfect time to turn compact machines into compact profits. No massive setup, no complicated factory floors, just smart equipment designed for speed, scale, and simplicity. In this video, we'll introduce you to 7 powerful machines that can help you launch a product-based business right from a small garage or workspace. Mini Dumpling Machine. If you've ever dreamed of turning delicious dumplings into a thriving business, the Mini Dumpling Machine is your perfect kitchen partner. Compact but powerful, this food industry machine produces between 1,000 to 18,000 pieces per hour. Perfect for busy dumpling houses, homestays, canteens, and fast food joints. It can craft various popular items like dumplings, samosas, and empanadas, each shaped with precision and consistency. With interchangeable molds, it effortlessly forms different styles, adding variety to your menu. Whether you're catering events, operating a hotel kitchen, or launching a street food stall, this machine cuts down prep time while keeping quality high. Thanks to its easy operation and minimal space requirement, even small setups can scale production quickly. The Mini Dumpling Machine isn't just a cooking tool. It's a gateway to culinary entrepreneurship. And with a price ranging from just $500 to $1,500, it's an affordable entry into the growing, ready-to-eat food market. Ketchup Packing and Filling Machine. If you're entering the food packaging industry, the fully automatic ketchup packing machine is a powerhouse designed for efficiency and precision. Built for high-output operations, this multi-track vertical machine forms, fills, and seals sachets at a speed of 160 to 200 packs per minute, making it ideal for sauces, pastes, and liquids in the food, beverage, or even chemical industries. This system works with laminated film or aluminum foil rolls to produce clean, four-sided sealed sachets. It takes care of everything: measuring, date coding, filling, sealing, and cutting, without human intervention. The automation ensures consistent product quality and dramatically reduces packaging errors. Equipped with boxing and counting capabilities, it also simplifies inventory and dispatch processes. Perfect for ketchup brands, sauce manufacturers, or contract packagers, this machine can scale production and save costs long-term. The price for this advanced packing system can go up to $20,000. Tartlets Making Machine. If you're looking to enter the baked snack industry with low startup costs and high returns, this machine could be your perfect starting point. Priced at just $980, this compact and efficient machine is designed for entrepreneurs who want to produce customizable tartlet shells in bulk using simple ingredients like flour, eggs, and butter. This machine gives you the flexibility to shape tart bases to meet market trends: round, square, floral, or custom designs. Its straightforward operation and low maintenance make it ideal for home-based businesses or small commercial setups. Since tart shells are used in a wide range of products, from fruit tarts and custard cups to mini quiches, the demand spans both sweet and savory segments. At just $980, this machine offers a deliciously affordable entry into the premium baked goods market. Candy Bar Making Machine. If you're eyeing the booming market of energy bars, fruit snacks, and natural confectionery, the Candy Bar Making Machine offers a powerful opportunity to build a high-demand food business. Priced at $6,499, this automatic snack food extruder is designed to produce marzipan bars, protein bars, date-based energy bars, and fruit-filled treats, all with precision and efficiency. It features a touchscreen control system, electric heating, and an automated extrusion process that enables seamless production at 40 to 60 pieces per minute. With health-conscious and convenience-driven consumers on the rise, snack bars are thriving across retail chains, gyms, cafes, and e-commerce platforms. This machine is especially suited for startups and medium-scale manufacturers looking to offer customizable, nutrient-dense bars. You can work with ingredients like nuts, dried fruits, cocoa, or oats, and create multiple product lines under one roof. Its low power consumption and compact footprint, this machine keeps operational costs low while enabling mass production, making it ideal for rapid scaling and brand growth. Automatic Oil Press Machine. Meet the fully automatic cold and hot oil press machine, your compact yet powerful partner in launching an edible oil production business. With a maximum capacity of 600 to 1,000 kilograms per hour, this machine is designed to extract oil from a wide range of raw materials, including soybeans, sesame, coconut, olive, peanuts, and even rare seeds like pine nuts and basil. Whether you're cold pressing to preserve nutrients or hot pressing for maximum yield, the dual function system gives you flexibility with every batch. Its simple design allows for continuous operation, minimal maintenance, and high oil output, making it ideal for small factories, farm-based workshops, or even large-scale home enterprises. What adds extra value is the byproduct oil cake, which you can sell as animal feed, organic fertilizer, or even to local feed mills, opening up multiple revenue streams beyond just oil. With wide material compatibility and strong profit potential, this machine is a smart investment for agro-based startups. The price starts at $6,500 and can go over $10,000 depending on configuration. Facial mask making machine. Facial masks are one of the fastest selling beauty products today. And with this automatic hydrogel facial mask machine, you can start producing them at scale. It's designed for making high-quality crystal masks, under-eye patches, and full facial sheets, all in a fully automated process. From pouring the gel base to shaping, drying, and cutting, everything is handled smoothly without manual labor. Its ability to customize mask sizes and shapes, perfect for skincare brands looking to offer unique designs, makes this machine more powerful. Whether you want to make cooling under-eye patches or full-face hydrating masks, it's flexible, fast, and super efficient. Ideal for cosmetic startups, spa brands, or contract manufacturers, this machine helps you produce like a pro with professional results. Phone LCD glass scratch polishing. Ever thought a glue machine could boost your profits? Meet the automatic UV waterproof glue dispensing machine, a compact yet powerful tool that's redefining precision work in mobile repair, electronics assembly, crafts, and small-scale manufacturing. With an accuracy of 0.02 millimeters and minimum dispensing of just 0.01 milliliters. It's built for intricate jobs like sealing LCD glass on smartphones, applying protective glue layers, or assembling electronic boards. You simply load the glue, set the pattern, point, arc, line, or custom track, and let the machine take over. It's perfect for repair shops, DIY gadget makers, electronic startups, or even mobile service kiosks in malls. For mobile repair and precision assembly, this machine easily generates daily revenues of $100 to $200 with minimal running costs. At just $900, it's an excellent machine. Each one is designed to save you time, boost production, and keep your startup lean but profitable. Success isn't about size, it's about speed, precision, and being first to market. With machines like these, you're not just starting a small business, you're launching a scalable brand. Now the only question is, which one will you build your business around?